How's the pressure?
Oh. It's nice. Well, Phoebe, you are good.
Stating the obvious, but thank you. And it's not weird, is it?
No. Oh.
That's right, you just enjoy.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, God, Phoebe. Oh, that's it. That's it, right there. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Hey.
Hey.
I gotta tell you, yesterday was amazing. That massage felt so good.
No, I got that.
So, what do you say we make it a weekly appointment?
Okay. Okay, oh, well, you should know, though, I've raised my rates to $200 an hour.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, 500.
What?
600.
What's going on?
Oh, you make sex noises when you get massaged. Well, yeah, and it really freaked me out. And after a while, I even tried to hurt you, and it just spurred you on.
What? You're crazy. There's nothing sexual about the noises I make.
Really? There's nothing sexual about this? Oh. Oh, God. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you looking at? I mean, hi.
Oh my, this is so embarrassing. Oh my God, I'm never gonna get massaged again.
No, you can't let this stop you from getting massages. No, look, I have lots of clients that make the same noises you do.
Really?
Well, not clients, lovers.